This diary will contain all the topics for network theory. So please listen and see carefully. All the best.
So see here. See, now I will give you a concluding points for finding C if the equivalent inductance. See, if it is given like this, the question given like this is L1, this is L2, and you are asked to find the L equivalent, and it is given that mutual inductance is M. Okay, so now you are asked to find L equivalent. How will you find out? See, one standard way is that thing same. You apply a V source, voltage source, and there is a current. Then you write down the polarities. See how you will write down that the self-induced EMF polarities will be plus minus. Okay, due to the current I only, and the mutually induced EMF will be, the polarities will be, see here the current is entering the dotted terminal, so it will induce the positive polarity in the dotted terminal of other, so it will be like this. And due to this inductor, the mutual polarities will be, see here the current is entering the dotted terminal, so it will induce the positive polarity in the dotted terminal of this inductor. Okay, so this is how you can solve. Okay, that, like, I have solved the question in the previous video. Okay, but I will now tell you the trick. So the trick is, here also we observed that thing. See, this is L1, this is L2. Okay, so now the polarities are given like this in series. Okay, just remember this is valid for in series connection only. So the current is entering in this fashion, and it is asked to find out the L equivalent. Okay, so L equivalent will be given by L1, and the mutual inductance is M. L1 plus L2 plus 2M. That is, these two inductors are in series. Okay, that is, their mutually induced EMFs are added. Okay, so this is the trick. And another case can be L1, L2. This will be, polarities are given in this fashion. So see here, let me say current is entering in this way, so the mutually induced EMF is M. Okay, so now here L equivalent will be given by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. These two inductors are said to be in opposition. Okay, so now this was the logic. See, you can easily see this. See there, I have told you the current entering this terminal, the entering the dotted terminal, it will induce the mutually induced EMF, that is in the other, but in the, it will induce the positive polarity. So positive polarity will be here due to this inductor. Okay, so this is the mutual inductance due to L1. Okay, now here the current is entering the undotted terminal, so it will induce the positive polarity here. That is, so the mutually induced EMF due to this coil will be M2 in this polarity, and we know that self-induced EMF polarity will be in this fashion, plus minus. So you can easily see that if you apply again that KVL, then you will find that it will come out L1 minus M2 and L2 minus M1, and then you will add, so you will get this expression only. So this I have explained so that you will never ever confuse. So when the dotted terminals are in this fashion, then they are said to be in opposition, and the equivalent inductance is given by this expression. If the dotted polarities are in this fashion, then the inductors are said to be in addition. Okay, so this is the conditions. These are the formulas for the series connection. Now we will see the formulas for the parallel connection of inductor. So in parallel connection, there can be two cases. So okay, so in this case, it is said to be, the inductors are said to be in addition, and the L equivalent is given by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. See, remembering formulas is enough, and I have told you the concept also, so you can derive using that concept. And in this case, L equivalent is given by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, So these are the expressions.